I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yes, I did it. Oh no.
Macusoper, how dare you pulled up the fire alarm? That's it, I'm calling your parents. Hello, Mr. and Miss Buster. Your son pulled up the fire alarm. Can you ground him? Goodbye.
Macusoper, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444444. Go to bed now.
No 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 no.